I see their timelines, their triumphs, a silent measure against my own path. The ego whispers of lack, of falling behind. But my journey is not theirs. My worth is not a number, a status, a reflection. I release the need to compare. I am enough. Right here. My life unfolds in its own divine time. In this quiet space, I find my peace. I am free.
I breathe in calm. I breathe in clarity. I breathe in peace. My body relaxes. My breath becomes steady. My shoulders soften. My chest opens gently. My mind becomes clear. I am present. I am grounded. I am safe within myself. My path belongs to me. My timing belongs to me. My growth belongs to me. My life belongs to me. I choose peace. I choose self-trust. I choose gratitude. I choose freedom. My heart is steady. My mind is clear. My spirit is calm. My body feels safe. I trust myself. I respect myself. I honor myself. I value myself. My worth is steady. My worth is present. My worth is whole. My worth is natural. I breathe in self-acceptance. I breathe in inner confidence. I breathe in emotional freedom. I breathe in quiet strength. My self-acceptance supports me. My inner confidence steadies me. My emotional freedom expands me. My quiet strength protects my peace. I choose my own rhythm. I choose my own values. I choose my own direction. I choose my own becoming. My rhythm is sacred. My values are clear. My direction is aligned. My becoming is beautiful. I honor my season. I honor my progress. I honor my pace. I honor my journey. My season has purpose. My progress is real. My pace is wise. My journey is mine. I celebrate my growth. I celebrate my lessons. I celebrate my courage. I celebrate my becoming. My growth strengthens me. My lessons guide me. My courage rises within me. My becoming carries grace. I choose abundance within. I choose confidence within. I choose peace within. I choose fulfillment within. My abundance is steady. My confidence is calm. My peace is deep. My fulfillment is alive. I am enough in this moment. I am whole in this breath. I am grounded in this body. I am peaceful in this presence. My enoughness is present. My wholeness is complete. My grounding is deep. My peace is alive. I admire others with love. I honor others with respect. I celebrate others with grace. I remain rooted in myself. My admiration feels generous. My respect feels peaceful. My celebration feels open. My roots feel strong. I choose inspiration. I choose appreciation. I choose inner alignment. I choose joyful growth. My inspiration uplifts me. My appreciation expands me. My alignment steadies me. My growth feels joyful. I carry my own light. I carry my own wisdom. I carry my own purpose. I carry my own peace. My light is steady. My wisdom is active. My purpose is clear. My peace is mine. I trust my timing. I trust my path. I trust my growth. I trust my higher self. My timing is wise. My path is meaningful. My growth is steady. My higher self leads me. I choose self-respect. I choose self-compassion. I choose self-belief. I choose self-love. My self-respect guides me. My self-compassion softens me. My self-belief strengthens me. My self-love supports me. I am grateful for my life. I am grateful for my gifts. I am grateful for my progress. I am grateful for my becoming. My life has meaning. My gifts have purpose. My progress has value. My becoming has beauty. I feel calm moving through me. I feel confidence moving through me. I feel gratitude moving through me. I feel peace moving through me. My calm moves freely. My confidence moves gently. My gratitude moves warmly. My peace moves deeply. I am centered in my own life. I am aligned with my own path. I am guided by my own wisdom. I am supported by my own peace. My life has a center. My path has direction. My wisdom has clarity. My peace has strength. I choose inner richness. I choose emotional freedom. I choose grounded confidence. I choose peaceful presence. My inner richness nourishes me. My emotional freedom expands me. My grounded confidence steadies me. My peaceful presence restores me. I live from my values. I speak from my truth. I choose from my wisdom. I move from my peace. My values guide me. My truth grounds me. My wisdom leads me. My peace protects me. I return to my breath. I return to my center. I return to my heart. I return to my peace. My breath welcomes me. My center holds me. My heart warms me. My peace restores me. I am calm. I am clear. I am steady. I am whole. My calm is present. My clarity is present. My steadiness is present. My wholeness is present. I am worthy. I am grateful. I am aligned. I am free. My worth is steady. My gratitude is alive. My alignment is clear. My freedom is peaceful. I choose peace now. I choose gratitude now. I choose self-trust now. I choose inner freedom now. My peace is mine. My gratitude is mine. My self-trust is mine. My inner freedom is mine. I place your hand on my heart. I feel warmth. I feel breath. I feel presence. I feel peace. My heart receives warmth. My body receives breath. My mind receives presence. My spirit receives peace. I let these affirmations settle into me. I let this peace become natural. I let this gratitude guide my day. I let this freedom support my life. My affirmations settle deeply. My peace becomes natural. My gratitude guides my day. My freedom supports my life. I begin again with gratitude. I continue with self-trust. I grow with grace. I live with peace. My path belongs to me. My timing belongs to me. My growth belongs to me. My life belongs to me.